No one need to introduce phoenixcontact. It's a 100-year-old company working in the electrification field, supporting many industries.
Yes.
They are at Hannover Messe, and we are having with us Stephen, who heads the R&D, product innovation, and he's going to talk about that, in this 100 year.
Yes,
First of all,
absolutely.
congratulations to you.
Thank you very much.
Pheonixcontact is celebrating their 100 years.
Absolutely.
So at this 100 year, what you are going to make Hannover Messe special?
Well, Hannover Messe is really special for us as a company as well. We are celebrating our 100 years now. This year is all about efficient cabinet building, because we notice that we have a high rising demand on efficient cabinet building, and with our systems, with our components, you're able to have a really efficient cabinet building, starting from the components, from the electrification to the networking to the automation, and everything in really round processes, let's say, and ending with, for example, the marking material, and everything is going with straight data, let's say.
So, which are the major industries where your products are used?
Yeah, we have several industries. It's all about the renewable markets, but it's also about the industry, it's about the mobility sector, it's about infrastructure sector, and it's all about, let's say, generating renewable energies. It's all about efficient processes in machine building, for example, and it's all about our e-mobility, for example.
So what we are right now talking about is wherever the electrification is needed, wherever energy passes through, phoenixcontact tries to make it more efficient.
Yes, more efficient, and let's say our mission is the all-electric society. That's our North Star, let's say, and it's all about the electrification, how are the energy fluids, for example, how does the energy come to the customer, efficient with the machines, with, let's say, the infrastructure and so on. So it's all about this energy flow.
With carbon neutral becoming very, very critical point.
Yes.
Sustainability is what people talks about.
Yes.
And where phoenixcontact is working on that side.
On many topics. So first of all, our components are inside of, let's say, sustainable generating systems. It could be a photovoltaic system, it could be a wind plant and so on. But it's also that we as a company, as a supplier, as an OEM of components, we are looking straight, how is our energy mix, how do we make our components, because we are producer of such components, more sustainable.
Yeah, for the last 100 years you are serving the global market, you are a leader, and you are from Germany.
Yes.
India as a market also plays a big role.
Absolutely.
So how you see Indian market growing for phoenixcontact?
It's for us definitely one of the major growing parts of the world. India is a very important country for us. We have as well the subsidiary, as well as R&D companies there, as well as the production, of course. And for us, there are different strategies that we have the local for local strategies, so meeting the right demands of the Indian market. But it's also that we have the engineering from India for the world, for example, and it became a really tough player, a very good player for us in these global markets.
It's a very important year for you and phoenixcontact.
Yes.
2023, when you are celebrating 100 years, and I'm sure any visitor who comes at Hannover Messe is going to have that experience of phoenixcontact.
Absolutely.
And we wish you all the very best.
Thank you very much for that.
Exhibition which is there in April.
Perfect. Thank you very much.